darkness we were waiting, without hope, without light, till from heaven you came running. There was mercy in your eyes to fulfill the Lord.